exercise 2.4. Okay, in that one example having example number 14. Okay, example 14 is very important. Okay, very important. Listen. Given set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and set B contains 2, 4, 6, 8 elements. So here, while using these two sets, I have to find n of A union B is equals to question mark. See, in previous problem, we are finding A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A, B intersection A, C intersection D. Okay, like this we are finding. But here in this problem, A union B having, but including n having here now, n. Okay, n of A union B. N means what then? Let's see. N means that set contains how many elements? Number of elements. We have to write. We have to mention in numbers. Okay. Like example, let's see. A set contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number of A is equals to how many elements this set contains?
5.
5 is the answer. Okay. Then one more. See. B set contains elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Then number of B, how many elements contains?
4.
This is the answer. Okay. So like that only, first we will find first A union B. First I will find A union B. Okay. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B elements are what having?
2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. Union means first set write all the elements. First set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2 is repeating, don't write. 4 is repeating, don't write. 6 is not repeating, right? And 8 is also not repeating, right? Okay, now let's find number of A union B. Therefore, n of A union B. How many elements does A union B contains total?
7.
7 is your answer. Understand? This is called cardinal number. Okay. A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardinal number of A is equals to number of A is equal to 5. Okay. These are called cardinal numbers. Understand? So like this only we will have the question. Okay. Like this only having the question. Like example, let's see one more question. Very important. Previous that question means previous that question. I think it will be in the which month? April, I think so. Yeah. Okay. In that board examination, one question is given. Okay. In that we have to use the formula, but that formula not having in textbook. So many students confused. Okay. But that formula having in old textbook. What is that formula? Yesterday I explained in introduction class. What is that formula? Means number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay. Upon this having one problem also. Okay. In previous board examination this question asked. Okay. How? I will explain. Okay, let's see. First, suppose think one. Let I am using let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 4 and one more also I will take here 3, 4, 5. Then A intersection B is equals to 3, 4 given. Okay, using all this, then I have to find n of A union B is equals to question mark. Okay, n of A union B is equals to question mark. A union B means okay, we will find. But n of A union B means how can we? For that, use this formula. First write what, how many elements does A set contains, B set contains and A intersection B contains. First write number of elements. So see here, A set contains, see here A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore number of A is equal to how many elements it contains? 4. Like that only. The next one is what? B. B, how many elements having here? 3, 4, 5 are the elements. So therefore number of B is equal to how many elements? 3. The next one, A intersection B contains how many elements? 3, 4. Therefore number of A intersection B is equal to what? Then answer 2 elements. Number of A intersection B is equal to 2 elements. Any doubts up to here? See, n of A I got value 2, n of B I got value 3, n of A intersection B I got value 2. Substitute these values in that formula. Okay, n of A is equals to 4, n of B is equals to 3, n of A intersection B is equals to 2. Then find n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Substitute the values. Number of A, n of A how many having? 4 plus n of B how many having?
3.
N of B here 3 minus n of A intersection B
2.
First add these two values. 4 plus 7 is 4 plus 3 is how much?
7.
And minus 2 as it is. 7 minus 2 is how much?
5 plus
A union B. N of A union B is equals to 5 is the answer. Okay, in previous examination this question asked. Okay, so many students got confused because this formula actually not having in textbook, so they confused here, and maximum number of students they didn't solve this problem. Okay, any doubts now? Finished? See once time. And some more. And sometimes n of A and B value will be given. N of A will be given. N of B also given. Then n of A intersection B will not given. So there you have to find out n of A intersection B. Okay, use this formula only. Transpose these values to left side. Plus will be changes as minus. Plus will be changes as minus. Then do and then solve. Okay. In anyone, okay, anyone will not given. Suppose if n of A and B will given, n of A intersection B will be given, n of B will be given, then what will be not given? N of A. That value you have to find. Sometimes n of B is equal to question mark. Okay. At anyhow, you have to write this formula only and find the values. Okay. Any doubts? If having any doubts, you can comment me here. See once time.